This unit is about one of the fastest growing and most exciting parts of healthcare finance, healthcare analytics. We're going to cover a wide range of topics, but the common theme across all of them will be that better analytics are key to reducing the risk and improving the returns to biomedical investments. As we've seen from earlier classes, investors are perfectly happy to take risks, but they want to know that the risk that they've signed up for is the risk that they're getting. What they don't want is uncertainty, the unknown unknowns. And so the more precise we can be about the kinds of risks that investors are going to face, the more likely it is that we're going to be able to get them to invest for the long term. In fact, predictive analytics can turn uncertainty into risk, and by doing that, we can greatly increase the amount of funding that investors are willing to devote to these projects. So in this unit, we'll look at how statistics, big data, machine learning, and other techniques can be used to characterize and manage the risks in the drug development process faced by investors in the biopharma industry. We'll start by analyzing the statistical properties of the financial returns of pharmaceutical and biotech companies, and then turn to applying tools from big data and machine learning to estimate and predict clinical trial success rates. Finally, we'll conclude with some work my co-authors and I have been doing on changing the very way that drugs get approved by actively balancing the costs of false positives and negatives in the drug approval process. These analytics can be used to optimize clinical trial design to increase their efficiency, incorporate patient preferences, and benefit all stakeholders in the biomedical ecosystem.